Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku and this is level 52. Let's start.
Nice!
Alright, now we have 3 cats. We need 10 cats to finish. Let's maybe try there. No, here. Alright, now we have 5 cats and we lost 1 fish.
Nice!
Let's try the yellow one there. Alright, now we need 4 cats to finish.
Great!
Let's maybe try there.
Perfect!
Alright. Maybe there. Okay, now we only need 2.
Excellent!
Let's try
Amazing!
there. Right, and the last one is here.